All right.
All right.
So I'm gonna be holding an eastern screech owl now. So tiny. Hold that like this. All right. Does this one have a name?
Yes, it's Thor,
Thor.
like the god of thunder.
Oh, okay, Thor. Thor. Okay, yeah.
Yes, my
Thor.
TH pronunciation
Ah,
is
that's
not
correct.
the best.
That is amazing. Hello. So how old is this little guy?
This little guy is approximately 8 years old.
8 years old. And what do you feed this little guy here?
The majority of the time, mice.
Mice. Okay. And is this guy a permanent residence,
Yes.
or if you release him out, he could survive by himself? Or?
No, he could
No?
not. He has two small eyes.
Okay, okay.
He has a disease. I don't know what it's called in English, but
En français, c'est
microphthalmie.
okay.
So
We'll look that up later.
yes.
All right. So cool. Is this working? There we go.
He does not see very.
Wow. So cool. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Pas de problème.